How do you calculate payback period for energy projects? Imagine you're thinking about upgrading your building's heating system or installing solar panels. How do you know when those investments start paying for themselves? That's where calculating the payback period comes in. It's a simple way to see how long it takes for energy savings to cover the initial costs. First, you need to know the total upfront cost of the project. This includes buying equipment, installation fees, and any other expenses involved. For example, if you buy a new energy-efficient boiler for your factory, the cost might be $15,000. Next, figure out how much money you will save each year because of the upgrade. This is usually from lower utility bills or energy costs. To find the payback period, you divide the total initial investment by the annual savings. If the boiler saves you $3,000 a year on energy bills, then the calculation is $15,000 divided by $3,000. That equals 5 years. So, it will take 5 years for the savings to pay back the initial investment. Sometimes there are extra factors to consider. For example, if you get a tax rebate or energy efficiency incentives, subtract those from the initial cost before dividing. If the rebate is $2,000, your new investment becomes $13,000. Now, dividing $13,000 by $3,000 gives you about 4 1/3 years. If your savings are not the same every year, you can use a more detailed method. Add up the savings year by year until the total equals the initial investment. This is called the cumulative cash flow method. It helps you see how the project performs over time, especially when savings fluctuate. Knowing the payback period helps you make smarter decisions about energy management strategies. Projects with shorter payback times are often more attractive because they recover costs faster. This means you can reinvest or start saving sooner. In energy conservation, this calculation shows how improvements in heat transfer and energy use reduce waste and costs over time. By understanding how long it takes for your energy investments to pay off, you can plan better and choose projects that make economic sense. It's a straightforward way to see the real value of energy-saving measures and make informed choices for a more efficient future.